Hey everyone, welcome to this quick demo of installing, or rather I guess I should say purchasing, downloading, and installing the Vocalizer voices from Voxin. Now this was requested, so I thought I would do it, and let's get to it. So these voices can be found at a site called oralux.org. That is, let's see, oralux.org.
Desk frame. Mozilla Firefox. Voxin. Home. Mozilla Firefox.
Right, so here we are. So, as usual, I will be putting links and commands in the description so you can get the information that you need. So I'm going to jump down by link by just pressing K.
In French link, white background link, go to content link, get Voxin visited link, contact us link.
So if you hit get Voxin,
Voxin, add items document busy.
Now if I jump down by heading,
getting Voxin heading level 2. All the available voices are displayed in this page, sorted by language. Follow the links to select a voice. You may want to know the following informations before selecting a voice. 1. Link prices. 2. Link current known limits. 3. Link end user agreement specific to certain TTS. Heading level 2 list of languages.
All right, so there's a bunch of languages here.
Arabic heading level 2.
The languages are divided into headings.
Basque heading level 2. Bulgarian heading, Catalan heading level 2. Catalan heading, Valencian heading, Chinese, Hong Kong, Taiwanese, Croatian, Czech, Danish, Dutch, Belgian, Dutch, English number plus 2000, American English number plus 2023 heading level 3.
All right, so we're going to go down to American English.
Link back to top. 1. Link listen to Allison Compact, English, American English, by Cerns TTS.
So this is, you can listen to different samples. So like if I click on this.
Enter name of file to save to.
And oh, it's gonna
save button to save file name. Combo box collapsed. Edit selected Allison embedded compact.wav. Save Voxin.
It's gonna download them instead of playing them, but I'll play them in a second.
Link add Allison compact. 2. Link Allison Pro. Link add Allison Pro. 3. Link Allison High. Link add Allison High. Link Allison High. Audio.
Okay.
3. Link add Allison Pro. Link Allison Pro. Audio.
Then these are the higher quality voices. It's like if I do this.
Internet. Save button.
Save
Voxin.
this one.
Add link add Allison Pro.
So you have a link to listen to a sample of the voice, and then you have a link to add that voice to your cart.
3. Link Allison High. Link add Allison High. Link Allison High. Audio.
So there's Compact Pro and High.
Save button.
So there are different qualities. Obviously, Compact is going to sound the worst. Pro is going to sound a bit better, and High is going to sound the best. But the file sizes will get increasingly larger.
Link 4. Link Ava Compact. Visited link add Ava Compact. 5. Link Ava Pro. Link add Ava Pro.
So let's say
link visited link add Ava Compact. Link Ava Compact. 4. Link add Allison High.
Let's say I want the high quality version of Allison.
Voxin. Add items document. Visited link Allison High. Audio. Visited link cart. 4. Link Ava Compact.
Let's say I want Ava and Allison.
5. Link 6. Link Ava High. Link add Ava High.
So I'm going
Voxin,
to add those to my cart. And before I continue, let's just take a listen to these samples here.
Download Allison Embedded Pro.wav.
So let's listen to
Allison Embedded High.wav. Item type today grouping. Allison Embedded Compact.wav.
Let's listen to these files.
Hello, my name is Allison.
VLC meet.
Right, so there's Compact. Let's play that one more time.
Speech mode off.
Hello, my name is Allison.
Let's play another one.
Hello, my name is Allison.
And
hello, my name is Allison.
Speech mode talk today. Allison Embedded High.wav. Speech mode off.
So this is High.
Hello, my name is Allison. Hello, my name is Allison.
You might be able to tell a slight difference.
Speech mode talk.
Between those. Let me
download.
Close out of VLC.
Voxin.
So that's how you can preview what the voices sound like and things like that. You unfortunately can't download like a trial version, but these are basically the same voices that you would find on your iPhone and things like that. So if you know what those voices are, you should be able to find the ones that you like. So now
in French link.
And ignore that, that's just my Linux system going to sleep.
White background. Go to home. Get Voxin.
We'll get to that in just a second.
Contact. Go to card. Visited link.
So once you're done with your voice shopping, you go to the cart.
Voxin cart document. Head.
If I jump down by heading.
No next heading.
Or actually, I guess
Heading
it's
level.
not
Heading
going to work
level
here.
1 or Lux. Link in French. No next link. Link. Visit. Link to link table with 3 rows and 6 columns. Cart.
Okay, so this is a table.
Cart. Item, price, discount, quantity, subtotal, action, item, Voxin, American English, Allison High, price €29.91. Item, Voxin, American English, Allison High, Vocalizer embedded, price €29.91, discount €0, quantity 1, subtotal €29.91, action link remove, item, Voxin, American English, Ava High, price €29.91, discount minus.
So compact is the cheapest, pro is more expensive, and high is the most expensive.
Quantity 1, subtotal €19.14, action link remove, out of table total, for blank, total, €49.05.
So that's the total.
Table subtotal net quantity 1 discount minus €10.70 price €29.91.
Wait, why is there a discount? Oh, I guess you get a discount if you buy 2 of them or more.
Discount out of blank total €49.05.
49 euros. I'm not sure what that converts to. Probably $40 or $50. These can get a little bit expensive. I think the high quality voices are like $25, maybe 25 or 30. So generally I'd only recommend buying 1 or 2. Otherwise you could be spending quite a bit.
Blank. Visited link, add more voices. Visited link, proceed to checkout.
You can add more voices or you can proceed to check out.
Proceed to checkout document. Heading
And
no next heading. Heading link in front link visit link only if you prefer. Only payments by PayPal or credit card are currently available by the oralux.org website. If you prefer to pay by SEPA bank transfer, visited link your card dot separator. If you prefer to pay by SEPA bank transfer, send a message to contact@oralux.org with a copy of visited link your card dot.
I don't know what that is.
If you prefer to pay by SEPA ESEPA space
SEPA
transfer
bank transfer. I'm not sure. That might be something outside the U.S.
Visit separate total equals €49.05. Link pay by PayPal or credit card. Visited link add more voices.
And if you click on that, you can pay with PayPal or your card. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to buy anything. So let's get out of the
Audacity track.
So that's how you would pay for the voices. Once you do that, you'll get a link that lets you download the file, and I recommend that you keep this link in a safe place because it lets you access your purchases in the future. You're going to download a I believe it's a .tgz file, and you're going to extract it. And once you do that, you're going to get a folder. Let me go into my documents here.
Virtual machine Voxin 3.4 items view list selected.
And it's going to be
Voxin American English Ava ML Premium 3.4 list item focused selected.
That's what the folder is called. We'll ignore the last part of that.
Items view list common not selected.
So you have all these files in here.
Dictionary, locale, log, older release, packages, PO, say, change log, license, readme, voxin-installer.sh.
Right.
Type, items.
So we're going to go back up here to this folder. I'm going to copy it to my clipboard. And there's a few different ways that you could do this. If you have it on Linux, of course, you could just extract it, or you could download and extract it directly. Or if you're downloading it from a different computer like me, you could copy it to a USB drive. Or what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer it across the network using SFTP.
Audacity.
So let's go in here. I'm going to go to
Windows tool.
SCP if I can
Search.
find it.
Documents, login, session grouping, edit blank.
Okay, yeah. So this is a program for Windows called WinSCP. I'm going to log into the system here. So let's see. I think it's going to be Stormux is the host name.
Edit multi-line selected 22.
Port 22.
Edit blank.
Do Stormux is the username.
Edit protected blank. Same login.
Log
Warning
in.
dialog. Copy key fingerprint. Cancel button. Accept split buttons.
It wants to know if I want to accept the SSH key fingerprint, basically confirming that the server is what I think it is.
Password, StormX. Okay,
I'm going to hit accept.
Edit protect.
To type my password.
StormX X StormX. Desktop down music not selected owner. StormX picture public templates videos.
All right, so here we are. I am logged into the remote computer. I'm going to paste
0% uploading, 4% uploading, 20% uploading, 37, 53%, 69, 86%, 99.
and it should go pretty quick. Yep.
Temp videos. Voxin American English Ava ML Premium 3.4 not selected owner.
All right. So now it's on the system, and I can begin to install it. So I could either install it from the computer itself, or I'm just going to use SSH. So let me close out of here.
Search.
Let's open
Terminal.
up the
Tab control.
Command prompt.
Bottom.
And I'll type SSH stormux at stormux and hit enter.
StormX at StormX's password.
Type in my password.
Welcome to StormX, powered by Arch Linux ARM.
So yeah, for those of you that are curious, this is the distribution for the Raspberry Pi that is designed to come up talking. I would have used something else, but I don't have anything else set up right now because I'm trying to set up regular Arch Linux on my Dell Inspiron computer, and it's not wanting to work for some reason, so I'm going to wait until the next image is released in September, because basically there isn't a single release of Arch Linux. It's a rolling release distribution, but they do release monthly installation packages that you can use if you want to install it clean. So I'm logged in now through SSH, and again, the way you log into your system could be different depending on what you call it and what your username and password are. And I'm not really going to go too much into SSH here because that's kind of beyond the scope of this. But basically, it's a way to remotely control devices. You can send files back and forth and things like that.
Speak typed characters only in edit. Speak typed characters always.
Alright, I'm going to turn on speak typed characters so you can hear the commands that I'm typing.
CD space VOX.
Alright, so I'm going to hit tab.
StormX at StormX $CD Voxin American StormX at StormX Voxin American English Ava M.
Alright, now we need to make the Voxin installer script executable. So I'm going to do
CHMOD space plus X space VOXIN dash IN installer.sh.
Right.
StormX at Storm.
So now I've made that executable. So now I can do sudo
SUDO space dot slash VOX
and then hit
IN dash.
Okay, so I'm going to type that much and press tab
installer.sh
and press enter. Now you could choose not to run it as root, and that would install it for the current user only, but since this is my computer, I want to install it globally so it can be used by any user.
Sudo password for StormX.
And type my password.
Logs written in log/voxin.log. Initialization. Please wait. Do you want to install a new language? If yes, press the enter key.
And I will hit enter.
Do you agree the licenses? If yes, press the enter key.
And I'll press enter again. And you're not going to hear anything, but it is installing. And once it is installed, we should be good to go. This might take a little bit of time because it usually does, like a minute or two. And once this is done, I'm going to reboot, and we should be able to use Voxin with Orca. So hopefully this will all work out. After you're done with this, you may want to clean up the installation files so that they're not taking up space on your disk. And I'll show you how to do that as well before I reboot. But at this point, it's just going to do its thing, and once it's done, we'll get a message, and then we can continue. So if this doesn't complete here pretty soon, I'm going to pause the recording, but I wanted to record just to show you how long it can take. Let me read the terminal window here.
Bottom blank.
Nope, it's still doing stuff. Yeah, this process is not...
The changes will be taken into account on next boot. Goodbye. Stormux at Stormux Voxin American English.
Okay, so now it's done, and it told me the changes will take effect at next boot. So let's do...
CD space dot dot Stormux at Stormux dollar.
Alright, so now I'm back up to the root of my home folder.
RM space dash RF space VOX Stormux at Stormux dollar RMRF Voxin American English Ava ML Premium 3.4 / Stormux at Stormux dollar.
And now it's gone. Let's reboot the system.
FUDO space REBOOT broadcast message from root.
Alright, there we go.
Bottom C.
Now it's rebooting.
Audacity.
I'm going to close out of the command line. And let's hit number 5 on the KVM. And we shall see if it will come back up, and then I'll show you how to get this working in Orca. Shouldn't take too long to boot. I'm using the same M.2 SSD that I used for the gaming image demo on the Pi. So these steps will work on pretty much any Linux distribution. This installer is compatible with both ARM and x86. So no matter what type of Linux environment you're using, it should work.
Stormux 6.12.42-1-RPITTY1 Stormux login.
Oh good, and Fenrir automatically picked up on the changes, so we have Vocalizer working in the terminal.
S
Let me log in here.
password.
I thought I'd have to reconfigure the settings for Fenrir. Okay.
Welcome to Stormux, powered by Arch Linux ARM. Stormux website.
Yep, so here we are. As you can tell, it is working in Fenrir. Let's load up the desktop.
SUDOFYSTCTL.
Start
T.
no DM.
Sudo pass.
Yeah, the way you start desktop environments in this distribution is a little strange,
Stormux at Stormux $.
but we can make it work. So we're going to wait for Mate to load, and when it does, we should be good to go.
Screen reader on.
Yes, we are. Okay. So we're using eSpeak here.
Desktop. Icon
I'm
view.
going to hit Control Alt D to go to the desktop. Let's hit insert space to go into the preferences.
Screen reader preferences dialog. General page tab.
And as you can tell, this is the Raspberry Pi 4, which is not the most powerful computer, but Vocalizer is working just fine here.
Voice page tab.
We're going to go to
Voice type settings panel.
Voice.
Voice type. Default. Speech system. Speech dispatcher. Speech synthesizer. Default synthesizer combo box. Default synthesizer.
Now, it says default, but clearly it's using eSpeak.
Speak Voxin.
So we're going to down arrow to Voxin.
Language. Person. Voxin default voice combo box. Voxin default voice.
Generally, you can leave this at Voxin default voice unless you have multiple voices installed.
Capitalizate rate. 50 horizontal slider 50%.
You can change the rate.
Pitch. 5.0 volume.
Now,
Global.
there's a few things that I would recommend changing in here. If I hit
Screen reader settings reloaded.
right, if I hit apply, it applies these changes, but as you can tell by default, the pitch is a bit off and the volume is
Voice.
off.
Speak.
It's lagging a little bit. That's just the
Person.
computer.
Capitalization. Language.
All right, so
Capitaliz. Rate. 50 horizontal slider 50%.
yeah, you may want to
51. 52.
You may want to speed up the speech a little bit.
50. 54. 55.
Let's do that. You can use up, down, left, and right keys. Up and down, or up and left arrow goes down the slider.
54.
Down and right goes up.
55. Pitch 5.0. 5. 5. 5. 5. 4. Volume. Pitch 4.5. Horizontal slider for 45%.
I recommend setting pitch to 4.5 so it sounds more normal.
Volume 10. 10. 9. 9.
Let's drop volume down to about
7.
7.
6. 6. 6. 6.
And it just reads the numbers, but it's incrementing by 0.1 values,
Global
so...
voice type settings panel. Volume 6.0. Horizontal slider 660%.
Right.
Apply. Cancel
But
button.
if you read it or you tab away from it and back to it, it will tell you what percentage it's on. It's like 6.0, 0.1, 0.2.
OK button. Screen reader settings reloaded. Desktop. Icon view.
And here we are. We are using Voxin. If I, go to the menu with Alt F1,
Top panel.
and if I down arrow,
Applications menu. Graph. Internet menu.
go in here.
Avahi VNC server. Brave. Firefox. Avahi SS. Internet menu. Office menu.
Go in Office.
May dictionary. May dictionary.
Yeah, it's lagging a little bit, but like I said, that's the computer, that's not the voice.
Office menu.
If you have this on pretty powerful hardware, it's actually very responsive, so don't let this concern you. This is just the Raspberry Pi 4, which is not the most powerful computer.
Sound and video menu.
Let's go in here.
QTV4L2 video capture. Sound. VLC media player.
All right, I can go in
Desktop.
here.
Icon view. Privacy and network access policy. Continue button.
I continue.
VLC media player frame.
And here we're in VLC. Yeah, you can hit F10. Go to the menu. Or actually, maybe you just have to hit Alt.
Media.
Yeah, okay. In some Linux programs, you can hit Alt and it works just fine. In some, you can't. You have to hit F10.
Playback. Audio. Audio device. Increase volume. Decrease volume. Mute. Audio device.
Right.
Audio. VLC media player frame.
I just hit Escape twice. Let's close out of here.
Icon view.
And let's shut down the system and hit Control Alt Delete.
Shutdown button. 98%.
And it is shutting down. So that is a quick look at installing and configuring Voxin. You can use it with Orca. You can use it with any application that provides speech output in Linux.
Command prompt.
Why is this open? Let's close out here.
Audacity.
I don't want that. Make sure I'm still recording.
Recording.
Yeah, okay. So, yeah, hopefully you guys have found this useful. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. But until next time, that's going to do it. And you guys take care.